get in, get out, get on, get off. How do you use these verbs with means of transportation? The rule is if you can walk in it, use get on to enter and get off to go out. If you can't walk in it, use get in and get out. So here are some examples. Aeroplane. Can we walk inside an aeroplane? Yes. So we get on an aeroplane and we get off an aeroplane. Taxi. Can we walk inside a taxi? No. So we get in a taxi and we get out of a taxi. Bus. Can we walk inside a bus? Yes. So we get on a bus and off a bus. Train. Can we walk inside a train? Yes. So we get on a train and we get off a train. Car. Can we walk inside a car? No. So we get in a car and we get out of a car. Ship. Can we walk in a ship? Yes. So we get on a ship and we get off a ship. If you learned something from this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in our next lesson. Thank you for watching.